WhatsApp is probably the largest messaging platform in the world was started with a dream in mind. A perspective that its founders, namely, Jan Koum and Brian Acton had. Jan Koum is a truly inspirational success story. From food stamps in teen life to doing a menial job like cleaning a grocery store and getting rejected by Facebook in 2009. Jan Koum was born in 1976 in Kiev, Ukraine, which was then a part of the former Soviet Union. Koum was raised in a town just outside of Kiev for most of his young life until 1992, when he and his mother emigrated to the United States. The family spent the rest of his childhood in a humble two-bedroom apartment in Mountain View, California, which they obtained through a government-run support program. And his house didn't even have electricity supply. As a teenager, Koum worked as a cleaner at the local grocery store to support himself and his mother while they struggled financially, living off food stamps and government support. At 18, Koum discovered his passion for technology and taught himself computer networking through the study of manuals. Koum didn't have the money to pay for new manuals, so he bought them from a used bookshop and returned them after he had read them to save money. After a few years of fine-tuning his skills, Koum joined a hacker group called W00W00 in 1996, where he advanced his computer skills and networked with the future founder of Napster, Sean Fanning. Although self-taught in computer programming, Koum went on to higher education and studied at San Jose State University. While studying, he worked part-time as a security tester at Ernst & Young, where he met WhatsApp co-founder Brian Acton in 1997. By the time Jan was in his mid-20s, both his mother and father had passed away and he was living alone. He lent on his good friend Acton for support, and together they left Ernst & Young to work at Yahoo. In 1997, Koum dropped out of university so he could focus his attention on his work as an infrastructure engineer. Jan worked at Yahoo for approximately 9 years before leaving and later starting his own company alongside Acton. Business success. Jan Koum went on to have significant business success within the tech sector, creating popular messaging app WhatsApp. Although he is considered one of the most successful entrepreneurs today, he dislikes this label as he believes entrepreneurs strive for money while he works only to build great products. After evaluating the App Store on his new iPhone in 2009, Koum discovered there was a space for messaging app. Jan connected with Igor Solomenikov, a Russia mobile developer, and began development on the mobile app. Koum named the app WhatsApp due to its similarity with the phrase "what's up" and released it in May 2009. Instant success didn't come for Jan Koum. When WhatsApp was first released to the public, it was very unpopular. The product had a very limited number of users and was crashing constantly. Jan was ready to give up and find another job, but thanks to the motivation and encouragement from Acton, he chose to not give up on his dream. However, Koum's luck seemed to turn around when Apple released push notifications which allowed WhatsApp to notify users once they had received a message. The app was adapted to become an instant messenger app where users would message contacts globally without any cost. The SMS-like feature gained attention, and WhatsApp's popularity and user base began to grow. Since 2009, WhatsApp has continued to grow, and over the past 10 years, the success of the app has skyrocketed, boasting 1.5 billion active users, 1 million new registrations daily, and 300 million daily users as of 2019. The app is used in 180 countries and is the largest of all messaging networks. In 2014, Mark Zuckerberg acquired WhatsApp from Koum and Acton for the price of $19 billion. Interestingly, 7 years before Facebook bought WhatsApp and 2 years before they founded the app in 2009, both Koum and Acton had applied for jobs at Facebook in 2007 but were rejected. Koum sat on the board of directors at Facebook for 4 years until stepping down in 2018 due to disputes with Facebook over their data stealing scandal. Here are 3 success lessons from WhatsApp founder Jan Koum. 1. Your background is not an excuse for failure in life. Jan Koum did menial jobs like cleaning and mopping at a grocery store while his mother took up a babysitting job. At a point in his life, he and his mother depended on allowances from the government. Jan signed the agreement with Facebook on the door of the social services office where he and his mother used to stand in line to collect food stamps. 2. Be passion-driven, not money-driven. Jan wanted to create a product that would meet a need, and when this product filled the need, money came. Today he is a billionaire. Money was not his primary motivation. He says he just wanted to build a great product. I started WhatsApp to build a product. I do not want to create a company around it, the goal was not to earn We wanted to spend our time building a service people wanted to use because it worked and saved them money and made their lives better in a small way." He tweeted in 2012 that he was not an entrepreneur. "Next person to call me an entrepreneur is getting punched in the face by my bodyguard, seriously." 3. Be a lifelong learner. Jan Koum had a passion for learning. When he arrived in California, he had an interest in information technology. As a result, he began studying and practicing what he learned about software programming. He studied and practiced software programming up to the point that he gained confidence to start writing software codes. He became very skillful at writing codes that Yahoo Incorporated hired him as an infrastructure engineer. He then gained more experience in computer programming that he was able to start his own business. These are the 3 success lessons from WhatsApp founder Jan.